When you look up at the night sky, have you ever wondered, what secrets is the universe hiding out there? Is it alien life, mysterious worlds, or powerful laws of nature that we have yet to grasp? Even though we've set foot on the moon and sent probes to the far reaches of space, humanity is still like wanderers lost in an endless darkness. So, what's holding us back? Is it the sheer size of the universe, the limits of our technology, or perhaps the boundaries of the human mind itself? The answer might surprise you. Get ready, because these mysteries could make you see the universe from a perspective you've never imagined before. Let's talk about the size of the universe. When we say the universe, we're not talking about a city, a country, or even a planet. We're talking about an endless, infinite expanse. To put it into perspective, think about this. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes just 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth. Sounds fast, right? But to travel from one end of the observable universe to the other, light would need a mind-blowing 93 billion years. That distance is so enormous that even with the most advanced technology we have, like the James Webb Space Telescope, we can only glimpse a tiny fraction of what's out there. The part of the universe we can see is what scientists call the observable universe. But what about the parts that lie beyond? We have no idea. It's a realm of mystery, a place where light has never reached us, and where human eyes, telescopes, and even our best technology are completely blind. Do you think that with modern technology like SpaceX rockets or the James Webb Space Telescope, we've unlocked all the mysteries of the universe? Sorry, but absolutely not. Our current technology is like using a pair of binoculars to scan a vast desert. No matter how powerful the James Webb Telescope is, it can only see what lies within the range of visible light. Do you think light is everything? Think again. In the universe, light is just the tip of the iceberg. There are things that humans cannot see, and those are dark matter and dark energy. These two forces don't emit light, they don't produce radiation, and yet they make up a staggering 95% of the total mass of the universe. So, how much of the universe is left for us to see? Just 5%. Yes, everything we know, every galaxy, star, and planet we can observe is only 5% of the entire universe. Here's a thought experiment. Imagine you're standing in the middle of a massive stadium at night, and all you have is a tiny flashlight. The light from your flashlight only illuminates a small patch of ground around you, maybe a few seats, maybe a narrow path. But everything beyond that? Total darkness. You don't know who or what is standing in the far corner. You don't know if something is moving in the shadows. You can't see it, and you don't know it's there. The universe is exactly like that. We only see the parts that emit light, stars, galaxies, and planets. But the majority of the universe, the forces that control and shape everything, is hidden in darkness. This is where dark matter and dark energy come into play. They account for 95% of the universe, yet we can't see them, can't touch them, and don't even fully understand how they work. Everything we know, everything that human telescopes can observe, is just 5% of the total universe. The rest? It's buried in darkness, invisible, mysterious, and completely beyond our reach. And that's why, despite our confidence that we understand the universe, the truth is, we're like wanderers lost in the dark, armed with nothing but a tiny flashlight. If we want to illuminate the entire cosmic stadium, we'll need far more than just a few flashlights. We'll need a kind of light that humanity simply doesn't have yet. Have you ever considered that the human brain has limits too? Sure, we've built intelligent AI and powerful supercomputers, but when it comes to understanding the universe, that's still not enough. Why? Because the universe doesn't operate according to the logical rules that humans are used to. It follows rules that are far more complex and bizarre. And if you need proof, just look at one of the most mind-bending phenomena in the universe, the black hole. Inside a black hole, everything you think you know about reality is shattered. Gravity, bent, time, frozen, space, crushed. At the heart of it all is the singularity, a point where the strongest physical laws we rely on break down completely. Not even the most advanced math can describe it. It's like trying to explain color to someone who was born blind. What would you say? Red is hot, blue is cool? They would never fully understand it. And that's exactly where humanity stands in relation to the mysteries of a black hole. It's not that we aren't smart enough, it's that our perception itself is limited. The human mind was built to understand the world around us, but a black hole isn't part of our world. Our rules don't apply there, and to fully understand it, we might need a new kind of intelligence, one that goes beyond the capabilities of both humans and even modern AI. But wait, that's not the end of it. Let's talk about multiverses and time travel. Could there be parallel universes existing right alongside ours? If so, how would we even begin to see them or interact with them? No one has the answer. It's not just a mystery of the universe, it's a challenge to the limits of human consciousness. So, where's the real problem? Even as science advances every day, the human brain still isn't capable of fully understanding it all. Our limits in perception and thinking are like an invisible wall that we have yet to break through. But maybe that's not a bad thing. Because if we understood everything, what would be left to explore? It's the mystery that keeps us curious, keeps us moving forward. The universe has existed for 13.8 billion years, and humans? We've only been here for about 200,000 years. In other words, we've just arrived at the cosmic party, and we haven't even figured out what's on the menu yet. Sure, we've made incredible progress, from fire and the wheel to Mars rovers, but to decode the entire universe? That's a job for millions, maybe even billions of years ahead. Here's a way to think about it. Imagine you just finished preschool, and someone hands you a quantum physics textbook and says, "Here, read this and understand it." Could you do it? Of course not. You'd need to go through elementary school, middle school, high school, and probably a PhD before you even had a chance. The universe works the same way. Right now, humanity is still at its preschool stage of understanding the universe. What we believe to be solid knowledge today might be seen as laughable in the future. Remember this? There was a time when people believed that Earth was the center of the universe. All the stars and planets were thought to revolve around us. But then, Copernicus and Galileo came along and flipped that idea on its head. Suddenly, humanity had to confront the fact that we're not the center of everything. So, who's to say that what we believe today won't be overturned 100 years from now? Everything we know today could be rewritten. Right now, we've only read a few pages of the endless book that is the universe. And the rest of it? Still sealed shut, but that's not a bad thing. In fact, it's the unsolved mysteries that drive us to explore, create, and push further. If every mystery in the universe were already solved, what reason would we have to keep searching? It's the unknown that makes this journey so exciting. Because every unanswered question is an open door to discovery. So, what do you think? In your opinion, what is the most fascinating mystery of the universe that humans should solve? Is it black holes, the multiverse, or the existence of alien life? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's discuss it together. If you found this topic interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Join us on this epic journey to explore the infinite universe. See you in the next video.